You can see I'm here in a basement and we're remodeling it, and I'm so excited because we're getting ready to install the most exciting suspended ceiling system I've ever seen in my career. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. Let me show you what I'm talking about, the Empasy Ceilings suspended ceiling system. This is what the Empasy ceiling system is really good at dealing with. So in this particular job, we've got this 1-inch PEX piping. With the talons, they hang down about 1.5 inches or so. And you might have electric wires like this, things like that in your way. Well, guess what? The Empasy ceiling system can hug. It can be as close as 1 1/8 inches down and come down to 1 3/8 inches. If your things like this are sticking down a little farther, you may have to shim down a little bit, but the whole point is this system, it hugs the ceiling, whereas a traditional suspended ceiling might take 4 or 5 inches of space up. This one, very, very small space. Let me show you the parts. The Empasy ceiling system consists of 5 parts. The anchor that gets attached to the underside of the ceiling joists, the rail that goes into the main crossbar, the secondary crossbars, the panels, and then you have a very cool installation template that makes sure that the anchors are the proper spacing. Here's what I like about the Empasy ceiling system. Once it's installed, I'm going to have access to all of the piping, all of the things that are underneath this fire insulation. That's the whole point of the system, so that you can access everything. This Empasy ceiling system, I'm telling you right now, it's easy to install. I cannot wait to do it. And in fact, this is video 1 of a 3-part series. The next video, step-by-step instructions showing you exactly how to do the job. But here's what you need to understand. This system can go in a basement, first floor, second floor, anywhere you want to put it. You just don't want to really put it in too damp of a location. You got to watch out to make sure that the humidity doesn't get above 50-55%. And importantly, when you go to install it, you need to bring the material to the room you're going to install it in and unpack it and let it sit and acclimate for at least 48 hours. 72 hours would probably be better. And that's going to ensure you have a really, really first-class installation. You're going to love this system. Wait till you see us start to install it in the next video. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.